everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Prosper. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through one of the free online appointment software that you can find on the internet, and the name of that software is called Setmore. So if you're a business owner or you have a small business or maybe a new business and you are looking forward to one of the best free online appointment software that you can use to accept appointment or booking for your business or your services, then do make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be walking you through all of the features that you are going to be getting when you use Setmore as your appointment software. So interestingly, the software is actually has a free and a paid version, but you can get started with the free version and still get good features from their software. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be taking you through in the course of this video. So before we get into it, if you are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also on that bell icon so that you get notified of future videos. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that, and if you are still yet to, please just click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. So right here, we are already on the Setmore website. So to come over to this website, you can just use the link on your screen, or you can just use the one in the description of this video. So just a little disclaimer, it's an affiliate link. You get a little commission when you come over to this site using the link at no extra cost to you. So the commissions we get is what help us to create quality videos like the one you are watching right now. So do make sure you use the link to come over to this website. Right, so once that we are here, so let me walk you through some of the things that this Setmore is offering. So you can see it's saying here free scheduling software. And then if you scroll down, so this is what you can create. You can see this is looking like a website, but in actual sense, this is created with Setmore. You can see it has a background image, and then you can have your logo, and then you can see all of these menus here. You can see your list of services, your contact information, and your business hour. So you can achieve this also using Setmore. And interestingly, you don't even need to have a website already before you can use Setmore for your appointment booking. Okay, so if you should scroll down to see other options that you can see create your booking page to display your service, your real-time availability online. So this is it here to show you when you are available to accept booking. Okay, so you can see here, this is what it's also going to look like, and you can see get your free scheduling app. So another thing that makes this Setmore different from others is that it has an app, so both available on Android and iOS, which are the two common mobile OS. You can get it on Play Store and Apple Store. So you don't necessarily need to be on the web page before you can check your appointment or booking from clients or your customer. And with that, it makes it easy for you to get reminders and notification. So that's another interesting thing about Setmore. And these are some of the things that you can connect it with. You can connect it with Stripe, with Salesforce, with Google Calendar, with Zoom. We are still going to look at all of those. That's also you can also use it to accept payments. Okay, you can also connect different payment gateway to accept payments. So if you want to do a paid booking, or a paid appointment where clients have to pay for them to book an appointment to you, the option is also available with Setmore, even with the free plan. Okay, so you don't need to opt to for the paid plan before you can start accepting payment. That's another thing that makes it stand out from other booking and scheduling software, where before you can accept payment, you need to opt to their pro plan. Okay, so this is also another great feature. Give customers the power to book anytime. You can see feature your free QR code on marketing, merch, and more. One scan and your booking page appears. Okay, so people can book directly from your QR code. Okay, so once you create a QR code and they scan it, it automatically takes them to your booking page. So if you also scroll down, there are other features that you'll find within Setmore. So now let's look at the different integration. That's the different platform that you can integrate with Setmore. Okay, so if you should scroll down, with respect to social media integration, you can integrate it with your Facebook, with your Instagram. So once you integrate it with your Facebook, you can see get booked directly from your Facebook business profile. So you can see it makes it very easy for your customers or your clients to book you directly there from your Facebook or your Instagram business profile. And like I mentioned earlier, when we talk about payments, so it offers Square. So you say get paid for your services with Square, Cash App, and more. So for Stripe, collect debit and credit card payments on your booking, right? So you can also use PayPal as a means of payment. We also have LawPay. So these are the different payment gateway that is available to you when you decide to use Setmore. Okay, and you can get started for free now. And also for website integration, so number one is WordPress. So if you are using a website already, like I said, I know I mentioned earlier that you don't necessarily need to have a website before you can use Setmore. You can just create an account on Setmore, create your services, and then people can start coming on your website to book. However, if you already have a website, any of this type of website, maybe WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, Shopify, and the likes, you can also integrate your Setmore into it so that people can book directly on any of this platform. They don't necessarily need to move away from your website before they can make a booking. So you can just embed Setmore into your website so that you can accept booking. And also calendar synchronization is also possible with Setmore. So once you make a booking, it will automatically appear in your Google Calendar, your Office 360 calendar. Those options are very much available. You can also use Setmore to host meeting. You can see Zoom, host one-on-one consultation and group classes online from anywhere. So apart from booking an appointment for your services, you can also hold classes. Okay, Setmore also offers that services for you to hold online classes. And your online classes also can also be free and can also be paid. All right. So now let's talk about the email marketing integration. So we have MailChimp, we have Constant Contact, we have MailerLite. So these are the uh, marketing integration that is available within Setmore. Okay. So if you're finding value in Setmore, let me know in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up. So what about with respect to sales and CRM integration? We have Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho CRM, Flash Sales, and Insightly. So you can see that the software is really loaded. It's really loaded. You have also other business app integration like Slack. You can see Gmail, QuickBooks, Zapier, Answer Connect, and a whole lot of them. Okay, so you can see it there. So, and you can see what is missing. If you can spot an essential platform, send us a request and we'll work hard to make an integration happen. So this is to let you know that there are still more integration that will be coming up in future. Okay, all right, so now let's look at some of the features. We will also like what we've been looking at. So these are some of the features that just a summary of everything that we've been talking about before. Okay, now, the next one I want to talk about is the industry. So what kind of business or what kind of service or industry can use Setmore? Okay, so let's look at it together. In the terms of the beauty industry, you can see it. If you have an hair salon, barber's shop, bridal salon, massage therapy, spa, nail salon, pet services, eyebrow and lash salon. So these are businesses that can also take advantage of Setmore. For example, maybe the hair salon, the barber shop, people can just come on to your Setmore profile and then book an appointment. Okay, it makes it much more easier like that if you are looking forward to take appointment. If you're also a teacher, talking about the education, tutor scheduling, DMV, music lesson, interview scheduling, tour booking, and the likes. You can also achieve all of these using Setmore. So if you're a teacher, you can book and host online meeting with students and colleagues. So in terms of well-being for gym, book one-on-one induction, group fitness classes, and more. So also yoga, personal trainer, pilates, and also if you offer professional services, this is where it also comes very, very handy for legal services, for consultation. If you are into consultation, then do make sure you consider Setmore to connect clients with the right specialists without the back and forth. So you can also offer consultation service from the comfort of your home or your offices for to clients from any part of the world. Okay, so these are all the industries that it works with. So in terms of healthcare for medical doctors, dentists, vaccine scheduling, counseling, physical therapy, veterinary, and the likes, you can see it's a long list. It's a long list. For trade services also, you can see it here. And then for creatives, for photography, tattoo studio, landscaping. So the list is endless. So as long as you are looking forward to get accept booking and appointments, okay, whatever service that you offer, and you know that people can book or for an appointment for your services from any part of the world, then do make sure you consider Setmore. So now I haven't said all of this. Now let's look at the pricing. So like I mentioned earlier, you can get started for free. You can see this is a free plan, which is about $0 per month. You can start for free, and these are all the features. Then we also have the pro plan, which is about $5 per month, and then the team also $5 user per month. Okay, So the difference here is this offers unlimited user and this is just for 1 to 2 users. And if you also scroll down, now this is for the annual billing. So if you want to do monthly billing, you can see this is what you are going to be paying. But to get a better offer or discounts, you can just select the annual billing. But if you are not sure of if Setmore is right for you, then you can get started with the free plan. Okay, even the free, I know of businesses that have been using Setmore for years on the free plan. Okay, so you can get started with the free plan. You're still going to get results. So now let's scroll down to see the table. So you can use this table to check the comparison between the free, the pro, and the team plan. In terms of integration, you can see what you can get from the free, the pro, and the team plan. Okay, and one thing I like about it is this support. You can see the chat with us, so you can get support. You can see I've even had some chats with the support some time ago. I think that was like 3 days ago before making this video. Yeah, so they offer real human support. Not, you're not going to be chatting with a bot or something, so which is awesome. So let me just do a test now. Okay, so let me just say, are you there? So let me see how long it will take for me to get a message or to get a response. All right. So with that now, I hope you find value. So the next thing I'm going to be doing after this is I'm going to create a comprehensive video where I'm going to be putting you through how to set up a Setmore account, how to create some of those services, and how to create an account, create your services, and every other thing to set up your Setmore account so that you can start accepting booking. So for that video, you'll find a link to it in the description of this video, or you can just check my playlist on my YouTube channel where you're going to find a link to that video. So you can see it here. I already get a response within, I think it should be less than 2 minutes. So they have very good customer support, as you can see there. So with that, guys, I hope you find value in this. So if you want to get started yourself, you can just, like I said, just use the link in the description of this video, or you can just see it on the screen right now. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next video where I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating your Setmore account and creating your services and every other thing that you need to know about Setmore. So guys, thank you very much. My name is Prosper and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.